Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY. Okay, so here, go in and aggressive and get off, right? He feeds that angle in. I'm in the center line. When the Sanketti comes in, because it's coming around, I have to step in aggressive, right? So feed it again. So I step in, smash, check, and I'm dropped low. Now I feed the 8, he's got to get off to the outside. Then he goes in, I move, redondo, and we're back out here. Then I step in. He's got to do one more time. Got to step in deep and lean. Oh, yes. That puts him close for the 8. Watch, when he goes 8, how much footwork I'm doing. Like it's a bit of a scramble. I go here, boom. He comes in 8. It's like it's 3 steps in there. Do it one more time. That's perfect feed. Here, I gotta go 1, 2 minimum to get as far off the side as I need. Then I pass a bit, then step in, and then up the side, and then out and over. Okay, let's come back up here. So, moves off, angle 8, thrust, up the side, out, step in aggressive, down, back, up. Could I come up my side on the shield a bit? Yeah. So step up, yes, and force me out, and then here. Push. Up. Here. Here. Shine. Hey, yes. Very nice job.